to the vlog. We are already in Christmas mode. I set up our Christmas tree. I'm slowly setting Christmas up. We are on our way to a soccer game. It is a crisp 37 degrees here in Meridian, Idaho. Here we go. Spend the day with it. We're starting off this Thanksgiving vlog. We're actually in the car. We have Jacob has gone with me to Costco. We've gone to a couple other grocery stores. I'm kind of getting over this cold sinus thing happening. And right now we are in line at Panda because we're just not cooking tonight. So Panda it is. And then pizza for the other boys. But this guy wanted some Panda, so. Happy December 1st, everybody. It is officially the start of the Christmas season and Vlogmas. So we're here at the park today. It is like 39 degrees, 38 degrees. And I'm just excited because it is the first day of Vlogmas. And so I filmed so much in the past few months, but I have not edited everything into videos for you guys. So that's kind of why this vlog is going to be like a hodgepodge of just different videos of what happened a little bit with us during the month of November. We're all just getting over a sickness. We got hit twice this fall with pretty bad like colds and flus. And so Thanksgiving was very low key. It was just our kids. We were in sweatpants. It was very just kind of a nice quiet Thanksgiving, but I didn't go all out or anything like we normally do. But we've been watching our old Vlogmas videos and our old YouTube videos of Christmas, and the boys love it so much. I love it. We love to look back on our holiday memories, and so we thought, you know what, we're gonna pick up the camera and we're gonna vlog as much as we can. So I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm gonna try to post a video every day in December. That is my goal. Hopefully you guys will keep me held accountable. And so if you are watching this vlog and you're this far in the vlog, leave us first day of December, leave us a Christmas tree emoji or a snowflake emoji to let us know you're watching. And yeah, we're just super excited. Okay, another thing, that I wanted to be able to share with you guys too is that I'm doing a 25 days, it really ends up being like 30 days of Christmas here in our neighborhood Christmas movies. So we have a big giant blow up screen and a projector, and we're showing a different Christmas movie every single night in front of our house, like with our Christmas decorations out and giving away little treats and stuff, just little like candy canes, little things. But that's something so fun. So I'll put our movie lineup here. So if you want to follow along and just watch these movies at home with your family, you can do that as well. Well, we've got the Christmas tree up. We've got some of the decorations like holly up, and some of the garlands are up. The lights are on the tree, but I do not have ornaments on the tree yet. So that is what I have to do probably tomorrow. But for now, it's 6 o'clock, 5 to 6 o'clock at night, 5 minutes till, and our Christmas movie is about to start. So tonight's movie is Elf. So I'm going to go ahead and go press play on that. And we'll just wait and see who shows up. It's pretty cold tonight. It's probably going to be in the low 30s. So I don't know if people show up, but people have been driving past to see it. And that's really nice.